Want to accept a friend request in Fortnite? Here's how to do it quick and easy. From the main lobby, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your avatar. Click the social icon or the friends icon. This is the icon with the head and the plus. This opens your social panel. And as you can see here, this is the friend invites or friend requests section. You'll see all of your pending requests here. We don't have any right now, but if you had one, it'll show up right here. To accept, just hover over name and click accept. If you want to add them later, click on ignore to leave it pending. To stop random invites, go to settings and privacy. Set friend requests. You can send friend request permissions or friend invite permissions to anyone, friends of friends, or no one. Once accepted, they'll appear in your friends list, ready to party up or join your squad. And that's it. Now you're ready to jump into a game with your new Fortnite friend. Hit like if this helped, and follow for more quick Fortnite tips.